you for coming back to my next video. I thought it had been long enough and that we needed another recipe, right? This isn't really my recipe. I've made it a few times. It's broccoli cheddar soup. It's lightened up a bit. It's by this girl, her name's Jerry. She goes by Light Cravings on Instagram, and it was when I was on Weight Watchers. It was like a lower carb Panera bread copycat type of thing. And it's really good. So that's what we're gonna make today. There's a few ingredients, but I'll try to post the recipe below. I don't know if I'll get to it, because I'm not good at that. If someone knows how to do that easily, I guess just copy and paste. Doesn't matter. It's supposed to come together in about 30 minutes without recording for YouTube. About to go get the kids, but this will be my lunch for today, and it's not lower carb, it's just lower fat, and I don't know. It's a lightened up broccoli soup. So, come with me and we're gonna go make this. Lightened Up Broccoli Cheddar Soup. It's by Light Cravings. You can look it up online or you can slow this down. So I'm gonna modify it quite a bit because I don't have every exact stuff. It's a Weight Watchers recipe, which I used to be on, but I'm not now, so I don't have all the stuff, but that's okay. Dijon mustard, we got cornstarch. It calls for half and half, but I don't have that, so I'm just gonna do this and probably a little bit more of the cashew milk. It also says almond milk. I'm using cashew milk instead. This is chicken stock that I canned myself. Onions, some garlic, salt, pepper. We got carrots, the broccoli, and then it calls for some nutmeg. I don't know, I'll decide. It calls actually for reduced fat sharp cheddar. All I have is Monterey Jack, so that's what we're gonna use. First, what we're gonna do is chop our broccoli up. It says, strong broccoli. 8 ounces, so I don't know. I'm gonna put about this much. I will cut up the stems and just use those and just cut them up small and put them in. They taste really good. So this is how much I got. That might be too much, but I like broccoli and it's literally called broccoli soup. So this is how much I'm putting in. So I forgot I had this thing. Do not touch these. They are sharp. I have a little shredder one. Oh, that's not how you use it. I found it. It's a different thing. That's the chopping. This is the mandolin. Put that on. And fit that on. This is our little guard so we don't hurt ourselves. And now we're going to shred the carrots. It says 1 cup of carrots, and I have these little ones. So be careful. You might, if you have these and you don't have one of these shredders that have like a guard, you might want to put them in the like a food processor or something. But I'm just gonna be real careful and do it with these. Just a quick little tip from editing Chanel. This was a terrible idea. Don't do it like this. It didn't work. I had to use my fingers. It took 14 years, and yeah, it was not a good idea. So maybe get big carrots next time. Okay, so that made a mess. I don't know if that's quite a cup, but I'm going to cut all these up into smaller pieces and add those too, so it'll be close enough. Good. So we are just going to combine these with the carrots and the broccoli. Gonna combine them because we put those in at the same time. Now we're gonna cut the onion. Ooh, those onions got me. I'm just gonna grate the cheese on this box grater. I'm gonna weigh it to get a kind of accurate amount. I'm guessing this is 6 ounces. Let's see. 4.4, so a little bit more. You know what? Since it's not reduced fat, I'm actually only gonna put 4 ounces in it because all the other flavor will be delicious too. And I'm just gonna grate this. Alright, we're gonna actually start the recipe. This is my pot over medium-high heat about. Turn that on. It says the Spritz with cooking spray. So, spritz a little bit. We're putting let's get it heated up first, but we're gonna put the garlic and onion in first till it's translucent. Okay, as that's heating up, it says in another bowl to put the almond milk, half and half, and cornstarch, which remember I don't have all that, so I'm going to put, it says 2.5 cups of almond milk. I have cashew, 1, 2, about a half. This is getting hot, so we're gonna go ahead and put these in. It says 2 cloves of garlic, so I'm gonna just put me in a bit. Turn this down just a bit. I like garlic, so put a lot in there. This is just supposed to go for about 2 or 3 minutes, it says, till the onions turn translucent. We'll get our veggie stock ready. Just keep stirring around. Don't want to burn the broccoli. Not broccoli. Don't want to burn the garlic. So just keep stirring it. I probably should have waited a second to put the garlic in, but oh well. What are you gonna do now? Alright, yeah, it actually says onions for 2 or 3 minutes, add the garlic for 30 seconds. So I'm gonna go ahead and add my chicken stock. It says 2 cups, so let me measure. Alright, let's calm down a bit. And that's just gonna cook on the medium-high heat right now. Back to this cashew milk mixture. It says for a half a cup of half and half, so I'm going to do 1/4 a cup of heavy cream, since I think actually half and half is half cream, half milk, so I'm going to do 1/4 a cup of heavy cream. And you know what? I'm actually going to do chicken stock as my other 1/4 a cup, since I have some extra. Yeah, why not? And it says 3 tablespoons of cornstarch. So 1, 2, making a mess. 3. I'm gonna whisk those together. This is essentially gonna be making like a slurry, and it's also it makes it less calories than if you would do like a roux with butter and flour and stuff. So it's supposed to give like the same consistency. I've made this before and it was really good. Alright, so once you get that all mixed in real good, it says we need to put it into this mixture and then bring it all up to a boil. I keep stirring this and bring it up to a boil, it says. I'm just trying to stick to the bottom a little bit. Make sure you're scraping the bottom. Good. So yeah, it's okay though. Keep stirring. Alright, and here in a minute, we're going to be adding all of our veggies. Salt, pepper, nutmeg. Let's go ahead and put the teaspoon of salt. I'm going to put it on top of all these veggies. Half a teaspoon of freshly ground pepper. We'll say that's good. 1/4 a teaspoon of nutmeg. Should I do it? I didn't do it before. Let's do 1/8 a teaspoon, just in case it's weird. I think of nutmeg and I think of like pumpkin pie, so I don't know. It doesn't smell like pumpkin-y, so I put 1/8. That still seems like too much, but we'll go with it. And then also a tablespoon of Dijon mustard. We're gonna put this all, together, so I'll just put this on top. Say about that much. Put all my things away as I go. You should see the dishes I have. I won't show you because it's ridiculous. While we are waiting for this to boil, keep stirring it. I'll show you the rest. This is all we got left. That's the broccoli, all the seasonings, the carrots, the Dijon mustard, and then the cheese. And so, when liquid is boiling, mix in broccoli, carrots, Dijon, nutmeg, salt, pepper. Cover pot and lower to a mild simmer. Simmer for about 20 minutes. Remove the lid, turn off heat, and whisk in cheese. So we don't put the cheese in until the very last. I'd say this is boiling enough. I'm gonna go ahead and put this in there. Trying to let it get up to a boil just for a second. I kind of put it in before it started boiling. And I want that cornstarch and stuff to thicken, so.
12 seconds later.
Alright, that's enough. It's about boiling, so we're gonna turn it down kind of low and put a plate on it or a lid if you have one. That would make more sense. We'll come back in about 20 minutes. Okay, we're gonna do the dishes, I guess. I think I figured out what was wrong with my carrots. I didn't move that at all. Oh well. So it's been about 20 minutes. I actually put it on about 10 minutes, stirred it, put on about 10 more minutes, then stirred it some more, like in between, making sure. It boiled quite a lot, so I don't know if she has like gas heat or something where it's easier, but now she just said to go and you start to sprinkle the cheese in and stir it, and you don't want to put it all in at once to avoid clumping. So she said just put it in a little bit at a time. And remember, we only put 4 ounces of real cheese, so this actually has all sort of, there's no reduced fat, nothing, there's no half and half, this is all full fat stuff, but because we put less, maybe I'll try to figure out how much calories this would be. Keep stirring in that cheese. Gonna leave just a little bit of cheese for the top. We're gonna plate her up. Here it is close up. She did say to let it thicken about 5 minutes, so we're gonna do that. And here it is, guys. Doesn't it look so good, guys? Let's go try it. I'm very excited to try this. It looks delightful, and I've had it before, so I know it's good. But here's the taste test. It's kind of hot, just got out. Get a bite of everything. Look at that cheese. I should probably wait. I tend to burn myself every time I eat something hot, so can't wait to try this. So good. Oh, it's so yummy. That is delightful. Hey, thank you guys for coming to this video. I hope you liked it. I hope you make this soup. Tell me what you think. I loved it. So like and subscribe, all that good stuff. I'll talk to you later. Catch you on the flip side.